So how do you turn off screen time for certain apps on your Android? Let me guide you through it and show you some possible ways we can make it work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Well, of course, we go to the settings and find the digital well-being and parental controls. And what you can do, of course, is to look at the app timers. And if you have something specific for those, then if you want to not use it anymore, you can obviously click on the three dots and delete the specific timers or turn off the screen time restrictions for those apps only. Keep in mind that this might be locked with a passcode, so you perhaps will be required to type that in to proceed with it. But if you mean just leaving out one application from the data right here, then it's not technically doable. There are some workarounds. Because what you're going to do is to open up your digital well-being like that, tap on the three dots and go to settings. And below we have the usage data access, and you can tap on it. It's going to ask you if you really want to deny the data, because without it, the screen time will not even be captured. So you can continue, go to these settings and click on a not allow permission, which means that the apps will not know, or the digital well-being will not know how much you've been using each of the apps. You can do whatever you want, and then when you turn it on back again, and then it's going to continue, it's going to give you, or it's going to start tracking the data from that point on, which is probably the thing that you have in mind, or what that you want to do. I hope I was able to explain that and help you out with it. If you meant something completely different, then let me know about it below in the comments. It is possible that I'll make more videos about this topic in the future, but for now, that's going to be about it, and I'm going to see you later in the future uploads.